Hello everyone, in this video I am going to explain the pattern of SSC 10th class English question paper. Understanding the question paper is very important. It mainly tests students' skills in reading, writing and grammar. The question paper is divided into different sessions and each session checks a specific skill. Now let us look at the sections of question paper and the types of questions asked in each part. So we will be having part A and part B. Part A consists of 60 marks. Part A will be having two passages, that is from question number 1 to 4 and the other one is from question number 5 to 8. Now question number 1 to 4 consists of 12 marks. This carries 12 marks. Each question carry 3 marks. Okay, so if you are going to attempt these 4 questions, you will be scoring 12 marks. So here the main thing is, please do not write the answers in short. Sometimes they will ask two different types of question in one question. So they will be asking two different types of questions in one question. So you need to answer for both the questions. So do not forget to attempt those kind of answers. So before that you need to analyze the passage, understand the passage properly, and then you need to answer for the questions whatever they are asking. So if you are going to attempt these 4 questions, you will be getting 12 marks. Next, same from the bit number, from the question number 5 to 8, they will be giving one more passage and each question carries 3 marks. So in total you have to write 12, and please do not forget to mention the question numbers correctly. So basically what few people will be doing is, they will be writing the question numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4. Again when it comes to 5th to 8th question, again they will be writing the question number as 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the major mistake you guys will be doing. So please stop doing that. Whatever question is given in the question paper, you need to mention that question only. So this is a huge reminder for all the students. Done with the question number 1 to 4 and question number 5 to 8. So if you are going to attempt this both questions, you will be getting 24 marks in total. So same thing, you have to write maximum 3 lines. Here also maximum 3 lines you have to write. Now coming to the question number 9 to 12. So when it comes to question number 9 to 12, they may give bar graphs or they may give tables or pie chart. So anything they may give, and they will be asking questions related to these things. So 9 to 12 is very easy bit, but again here you have to use some tricks and you have to answer it correctly and properly. Now coming to the 13th question. This 13th question is again very important, which is completely dependent on grammar. In 13th they will be giving side Roman numbers where you need to write, not question numbers, side numbers they will be giving, and you have to answer any 4. Okay, any 4 you have to answer. Again those 4, each one consists of 2 marks, which is in total 8 marks. Mainly you will be getting less marks in this question only. So for 1 to 4 passage, again 5 to 8 passage, and next anything out of syllabus. That means they are going to give any bar graph, tables or pie chart which is not there in our textbook, but these one will be there in our books only. So this will be getting from our lessons only, but this one is not from the lessons. Okay, so the 13th one is very important bit, and you need to focus mainly in this. Okay, so next we'll be having the 14th question. So in 14th question, from 14th to 16th question, you will be having creative writing bits, that is major and minor discourses. So which you all know what are major and minor discourses. So the first 14th question, you will be getting 2 questions. So either you have to write A or B. So this carries 10 marks. And now 15th question, 5 marks, and 16th one also carries 5 marks. This is the end of the part A. Okay, next coming to the part B. Next part B. In part B, question number 17 to 21, we will be having one poem, and you need to answer all 5. There will be 5 questions and each question carries 1 mark. So from those questions, one question will be figures of speech. So in total there will be 7 types of speeches. That from that only they'll be asking these 5, but better to learn all the 7 types. So I will be explaining these figures of speech in other video when I will be explaining grammar. So in that video I will be explaining. So next one is 22 to 26. This is again a very important bit, errors. So to write these errors perfectly, correctly, you need to know grammar, and also you have to read the lesson continuously. Whenever you're getting time, please go through all the lessons. Passage answers also will be getting from the lessons only. Next, creative writing will be also dependent on the lessons only. And coming to these errors, these will be also depending on the lessons only. When you calculate it, maximum half of the question paper will be depending on the lessons only. So you need to focus on the lessons very carefully. You need to understand each and everything. When you are writing passage answers also, you will be not getting any answers from the passage. Everything you need to write in your own. So when will we apply those skills? When we understand the lesson properly, then only you can write it in your own words. So what you people will be doing is, you will be finding out the answer from the passage and you will be writing those same lines from the passage. So that is completely a wrong thing, and you will not get 3 marks for that. Okay, 1 or 2 if he is the corrector, the person who is correcting your paper might give 1 or 1.5, but no, you will not be scoring complete 3 marks for those kind of answers. So I request you to please go through the lessons and understand the summary of the lesson, and then attempt those passage answers. Then only you will be getting 12 marks for attempting all the 5 questions. And also, when it comes to creative writing, sometimes he may give diary entry, sometimes he may give conversation, sometimes he may give interview. So whenever you are writing all these things, you need to know what exactly the question is, what from which lesson he is asking, and how to write those interview answers. So see, we are having conversations in many lessons. Yeah, many units we are having conversation. So what I say is, please understand the lesson, then only you will be attempting this paper very well. So errors, it will also help you to write the errors. Now next one is question number 27 to 31. Choose the correct options. So they'll be giving one passage, you need to choose the correct options. And this is also a bit difficult for the guys who don't know how to form a sentences and who are very bad in grammar. So I request you to please understand, there will be so much confusion when you are choosing the options, but you need to understand the passage again and you need to pick the correct option for that. Next, question number 32 to 36. This is also very important, guys. Mostly people will not get marks in this bit. So that is, they will be underlining few words in the passage and you need to answer the questions which are given below that passage. So to attempt this bit, you need to know each and every meaning. Okay, you should be aware of all the English grammar, English meanings, so synonyms, antonyms, everything you need to be aware. So this is the complete question paper pattern of English part A and part B. So I'll be explaining you the question paper which I prepared. So in next video I will be explaining you that question paper, and if you want me to explain in any other language, I'm ready to explain also.